Welcome to Concept2Customers Tools and Technology, where we show you resources that are helpful to you as an inventor make your ideas a reality. Today we're going to talk about patent searching, and I'm going to show you first the hard way to do that, and then the easy way to do that. Before we get into doing the actual patent searching, though, I wanted to show you a few resources that the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office have for you. So if you'll bring up a web browser and go to www.uspto.gov, and again that stands for U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. And it's a little convoluted as to how to get to the patents, but we're going to step through this together. So if you'll click on the patents on the left, and then down on the bottom, under that, you'll have number 12 says Search Aids under that submenu there. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to go through a few resources for you. So the first is the basic facts about patents. So if you'll click on that, you'll see you can find a lot of information like what is a patent, what is a trademark, what is a copyright, patent laws, and so on. So you can find a lot of basic facts and general information about patents. All right, let's go back to the main page there. And the next is how to get a patent. So if you'll click on that link, it gives information about utility patents, design patents, plant patents, how to file a patent electronically. So there's some good information there. So utility patent is for if you have invented a new or useful machine, process, article of manufacture, or compositions of matters, or a useful improvement thereof. Whereas a design patent would be granted to anyone who invents a new, original, and ornamental design for an article of manufacture. So you will be getting probably a utility or a design patent according to what you have invented. All right, let's go back another page. And on our main page again, we'll have types of patents. So if you'll click on that, and this tells you about the different types of patents. Now there's the provisional patent application that Ron talks about in the Concept2Customers radio show every once in a while. Gives you information about each of those. All right, let's go back to the main page there, and it shows you the registered patent attorneys and agents. So if you'll click on that, you see you can search for, well, this has been replaced by another page, so they have their page out of date. But you can search for a last name or a city or a zip code, whatever you want to find. So maybe we'll want to search in our zip code here in Atlanta, and we'll find all of the patent agents and attorneys that are in Atlanta in my zip code and how to contact them. All right, well, let's go back to the main page there, and we'll have to go back one more time. And it says you can apply for a patent online. So just so you know, you can do an application online. It is a pretty easy process. You can find out all the information that they need to know for you're applying for a patent, and you can save your work as you go. So that's a nice feature for the Patent and Trademark Office. If you'll scroll down just a little bit, you'll see where it says fees and payments. So if you want to look up the fees, so if you want to see the current fee schedule, we'll click on that. What kind of fee do you want? So maybe we want to just know the application fees. So our fee for filing a basic utility patent is going to be $330. All right, let's go back again so you can find out a lot of information about all the different fees. And if you'll scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see a guides area. And this is some nice general information about different things about the patents. So what is a patent? Let's see, the guidance tools. So lots and lots of different information. So some good information on the USPTO website. However, their way to search patents is a little bit, well, it's just plain hard to understand. So let's go to the right here, and we're going to look at how to search for a patent. So if you'll click on that, it said, I'm sorry, I clicked too fast. So it says Patent Electronic Business Center. If you'll click on that, And then the top it says search for patents and published applications. You'll click that. And now we have two options. We can search for issued patents or patent applications. So if we'll click on the quick search on the issued patents, and we'll type in cup holder and click search, then it's going to find all the cup holder patents from 1976 to the present that have been issued. And it's going to give us a list. So we found 2,028. If you'll scroll through, you see a lot of them don't say cup holder. Some of them say something different. So like this is a cup handle. So it's just really searching for the word cup and the word holder. And let's go to the top, and we'll click on that so you can just see what it's going to bring up for this particular patent. So my first patent, let's see, we got a date of June 23rd, 2009. A guy named Randy Bernard in Atlanta. He filed in November of 2008. Scrolling down, and then we pretty much don't see anything, not sure where to go, what to see on this. So again, this was the hard way to search for a patent. Let's go back. I'll show you one more thing. Go back to our search page there, and I'll just show you the advanced search. And here are some examples. So you see it's pretty convoluted as to how to do a search here in the Patent and Trademark database. So I recommend that you use the Patent and Trademark Office only to find information about patents. The really good way to find patents is using the Google patent search. So if you will bring up another web browser and go to google.com/patents, and now we'll type in cup holder, search patents, and then it brings up a list of, I think it was a little over 500. So I've got it on 20 and about 10 came up. So let's click on this first one just so we can see. Oh, by the way, we can sort by the oldest first or the newest first. So we'll click on the first one and you just see what that brings up. Okay, so the first one brings up what is claimed. So it gives me the information about what is claimed in the patent. It has a drawing. So if we wanted to look at the drawing, we could. There's the drawing for that cup holder. Here is the actual patent, word for word, what the patent is claiming. All right, so good information for the patent there. So let's go back to our main page for the Google patent search on cup holder. I can also do, instead of just issued patents, I could do applications, or issued patents, I could tell it both, which is very nice, not what the other site had. I can also do a thumbnails, and this is a really cool way to see, look, just to visually look around and see, hey, what's out there visually, what's going on. So I can just take one of the pictures I think looks closely enough to what I'm thinking about doing, and I could look and say, oh, hey, that's pretty cool. Okay, so there is a patent out there. So that was the hard way, and then the easy way to do a patent search. Visit us at Concept2Customers.com, where we broadcast live on Fridays from 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here's to making your ideas a reality.